How to turn on dark mode on TikTok for Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can turn on dark mode on TikTok for your Android phone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you are aware, on iOS it's very simple to turn on dark mode, but on Android phone, if I open up TikTok, you'll be able to find out that if I go to my profile page and I tap on the three lines, and even if I go to settings and privacy, I do not have the option to go into dark mode because TikTok has not officially released dark mode for Android devices. It has only released it for iOS devices, which means iPhones. Now, why is this? Now, TikTok actually has lots of users and there are many people who use it on Android. It's very hard for them to bring support to all of the Android devices, and that is why, in my opinion, I think that TikTok has not rolled out the official version of dark mode for TikTok. However, there are a couple of things that I have worked around this. So in the other case, you also want to make sure to download the TikTok Lite application, and even on TikTok Lite, if I just go ahead and show you, we do not have the option to turn on dark mode. Even if I go to the three dots, as you can see right over here, there is nowhere the option is there to actually turn on dark mode. So how do we go about fixing this issue? Well, there is a feature on every Android phone that forces you to enable dark mode. For example, applications such as Messenger, Lite and so on, they do not have dark mode, and when you force the dark mode on your Android, it is going to force all of the apps in the Android phone to go into dark mode even if they are not fully and natively supported. So in order to do this, open up settings on your Android phone. It doesn't matter whichever settings you're using. Just go to your about phone section. You have to go to software information. Now this depends on device to device, depending upon whichever device you're using, but you have to look for the option called build number. So as you can see, the option called build number under your software information settings, just look for it and then tap on it multiple times right over here to enable developer options, and then it will ask you to confirm with a pin. So just go ahead and then enter your pin over here and then tap on continue, and now you have enabled developer mode. Now we will come back and then we will look for the option called developer mode. As you can see, now we have the option called developer options. Now just tap on that one. Now over here we can do a bunch of different things. I don't recommend you going into each of these settings and customizing it whatever way you want, but we will only look for one option, and that is to force dark mode. In your case, it could be written as something different, such as override dark mode or anything as such, but you have to look for similar option called force dark mode. As you can see, in this case under developer options, we have force dark mode. It says force apps to use dark mode and even if not fully supported. So we'll just turn on this toggle. But TikTok and Snapchat has made it so secure that even if you force dark mode on your Android and then you come back to the TikTok account and the TikTok app over here, you'll be able to see that we're still on the light mode. It is not forcing this app because it's very protected and the TikTok is not being able to go into dark mode. However, in this case, if the TikTok app is not being able to go into dark mode, there is also another thing that you can do, and that is that if TikTok is not going, at least TikTok Lite will go into dark mode. So as you can see, previously we did not have option even in the TikTok Lite to switch to dark mode, but now if I go to my profile section, you can currently see that I am on the dark mode on TikTok Lite. Of course, things are a little bit messy because of all the white and dark thing, because it is just a color inversion, but just to help you with this is simply to get your job done. Now just keep this in mind that it's not official way we are forcing our apps to go into dark mode. Sometimes it may work and sometimes it may not work. If it works in your device, then you're absolutely lucky. But there's also another solution that I actually found. So let me go ahead and turn off developer mode first of all. So I'll go ahead and turn this off. Now if it's worked for you can leave it on, so I'm not going to do anything about that. There is an application in a Play Store called dark mode for TikTok, which is another version of TikTok in dark mode. You can simply find it in your Play Store. So just go ahead and search dark mode for TikTok. It does not have many downloads and so on, so I'm even not sure if this is safe because it only has 100+ downloads. As you can see, I'm sure this is a beginning app and the developer is Siri Top. So if you trust this and if your account is not ready for use and so on, you can go ahead and open this application called dark mode for TikTok, and over here we can actually go ahead and then simply enjoy TikTok in dark mode. So you can even log into your account if you want to, but if you don't want, then if I just go ahead and show you over here, you can see that we are currently on the darker version of TikTok. So let the application to also load up fully. So as you can see, if I go over to my profile page as well, we're on dark mode. If I go to my inbox page, we're on dark mode. If I go to the discover page as well, we're absolutely on dark mode. This is just one of the third-party apps. Even I'm not sure about this app, but if you want to, you can go ahead and then simply use without logging in, because you can see I haven't logged into my account because I simply think it's not safe. But if you do want to, then you can find out if this is the option for you. Hopefully this video cleared your confusion. So if the developer mode option, as I said, if the forcing dark mode works for you, that is perfectly fine. If it doesn't, just try this method. But TikTok itself has not released the official dark mode for TikTok on Android devices, so you just have to keep that in mind. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.